Let's unbox the cat phone.
Whoa!
Here we have the cat phone. Cat phone is a Redmi 13C 4G phone preset with the cat software. It's easy. You get the phone packaged in its original packing. All you have to do is power it on. There you go. It's all set. Cat phone comes with a few preloaded applications. The collar for your child to stay connected. Camera for the budding photographers. Contacts. Calendar. Maps. And many more. All applications on the cat phone can be managed using the Cat Parent app. You can lock your child's cat phone and unlock it as needed. You can check their location. It is super precise. You can hide applications when needed. The applications will still be on your child's phone. They just won't be seen. Give your child a safe start with the cat phone. Learn more on kiddentech.com.